Good day viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about Hamster Kombat, the latest updates, what you need to know, and also some mistakes that happen to be made by you find out soon. First of all, the goal of 20 million has been reached on YouTube by Hamster Kombat, and that's all because of this lovely community. So let's keep going. Also, just to clear this off, by now we should have known this, but as you can see, what's more important, coin balance or profit per hour? And they said profit per hour, sir. So if you're not increasing your own, then make sure to. I'm going to also discuss that in this video. If you see any tokens that have launched in the name of Hamster Kombat, please do not, because it has not been launched. Do not actively try to buy or do anything related to it. And lastly, from Twitter, when is the token launching? Is launching this summer, so expect it between August, September and late of July. You should know of the daily combo on Hamster, but if you are having problems doing it, then make sure to join the Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel or both, and I drop it every day for you guys to locate and of course complete it. Alongside that, we have the Hamster Kombat Morse code, where you can get the Morse code and complete it for every day and get 1 million coins free daily. So make sure to join and of course make use of it. Right now my profit per hour is 44k, which is small, but don't worry, I'm going to reach 200,000 very soon, and then of course upgrade, so you can do it too. So what do you need to take note of? When you click on mine, the mistake I said in one of the previous videos is that you need to make sure it's 10%, and there are some that are literal scams here, right? So you have the 210 that's increasing 69, but what you can do is to upgrade it to a certain point, maybe a certain level that it doesn't make much sense. And so what you have as your profit per hour per every upgrade is being compounded, so it's being added what you have already. So let me just show you. So you can see I'm in level 2 of fan tokens and 12.7k, and it's 1.96k right now. Let's check the profit per hour, 44.53k. So if, according to what I'm saying, 1.08k is supposed to add over to what you can see as profit per hour on fan tokens as it's going up by 11. So let's see. So I'm investing 12,000, and you can see it went from 1.96k to 3.05k, and this went from 44.53k to 45.62k. I'm sure I'm correct in what I just said. So that's how it works. I was wrong in saying that it doesn't compound. Instead, it's like just replaces, more like. So it compounds, and what you can see on your profit per hour, that's before you click it, is what you earn per hour for a particular card. So that's how it works, and that was my mistake, which was made by me. I am so surprised that nobody flagged me on that, but that's what we're here for. I'm a human being, I make mistakes, and if I do make mistakes, please inform me on that. Thank you very much for watching. That's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're able to learn a thing or two. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn notification bell so you don't miss new videos when they come out on the channel. Like the video. Till then.